In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Excel on Monday.com if you need to download your board data and work with it outside of Monday.com. Exporting to Excel is a quick and useful option. This can help if you want to share information, create reports, or simply keep a spreadsheet version of your board for offline use. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open the board in Monday.com that you want to export. Once you're on the correct board, look for the three-dot menu. This is the small menu icon that gives you access to additional board actions and settings. Click on the three dotted line menu to open the available options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the board header area, since that's where it's typically located. After the menu opens, find and click on the option labeled Export to Excel. This tells Monday.com that you want to create an Excel version of the board data you're currently viewing. Depending on your browser or screen size, the menu may appear slightly different, but the export option should still be listed there. Next, you'll be asked to choose what to include. This is an important part of the process because it lets you decide what information will appear in the exported file. Take a moment here and review the available choices carefully. For example, you may be able to control which parts of the board are included in the export. Choosing the right option now can save you time later when you open the file in Excel. Once you've selected what to include, go ahead and click Export. Monday.com will then begin generating the Excel file for you. In most cases, the file will download automatically, although in some browsers, you may be asked where you want to save it. If that happens, simply choose your preferred location and continue. After the export finishes, you can open the file in Excel and review your data. It's a good idea to quickly check that everything you expected to include is there, especially if you selected specific content during the export settings. And that's it. That's how to export in Excel on Monday.com. As a final tip, if you export boards regularly, make sure you double check your inclusion settings each time so your spreadsheet contains exactly what you need.